Alright, welcome to my channel. Today is about introduction to Bootstrap Studio. So Bootstrap Studio is a software that is used to make websites. That means to design websites of different kinds, and also it is just like a drag and drop, like a framework. So you don't need to have knowledge about HTML or CSS. Once you open the studio just like this, you have new designs and to open the previous one. So let's see. Today is about just the introductory level. So click on new design. Then you can see on title here becomes the folder or the name of the folder. We can say VTech design, VTech design. Alright, then also you can select what version of Bootstrap you want to work with. Then also all of these are templates that you can make use of. Alright, but I would like to start from scratch. So click on blank, then you click on create and wait for it. So we have our studio just like this. So this is the interface for Bootstrap Studio of version 6.3.0. So here we have the zoom in, the zoom out, flip canvas, and the rest. So we have the fix to canvas, we have the different screen sizes that we have here. So the appearance is where you can add height, width, font color, and the rest, just like that. So now let's start. Let's create a navbar very quickly. So you can either search for the elements of HTML that you want to work with, or you can just scroll down and pick what you need. Now under the UI, this is where we have the predefined designs of the studio. For example, now I can bring in this. You can see it's just click and you drag right here, or you drag within the body, but I can just drop it here for now. So this is just the way it is. So it's just a drag and drop, and also the codes have been written already. So the code is here already on the studio, so you don't need to know about HTML or CSS. Alright, so let's delete what we have there very quickly. So right click, delete, and let's start from scratch. So now let's just create a navbar. So search for navbar, NAV. Then what we need here is navbar, not nav. Nav is just an empty element of nav, while navbar has some design inside. So click and drag inside this artboard or the body right there. So you can add a drop down, or you can close it, blah blah blah. Let's close. Now we can rename this to the brand name, VTech Design International. Then also double click and write here as home, double click here, and you can write here as about, double click here, you can write here as services or service if you like. Okay, so now let's give this navbar a background color. So select the navbar from the overview. The overview is better to work with, so select overview. Then we can go to appearance, then scroll down very quickly. So background, BG color, click on this area, select the color you need. Then you can go back here, select this, hold down Ctrl to select more items. Then still under appearance, go up a bit, the font color, click here, white, make it bold, 25 px rather, 25 px. Okay, press enter, scroll down a bit, bold, and that's the way it is. Now let us preview. So you can go up here now, on preview, click on preview, turn it on, then click right here. So for some systems it may ask you to allow access, so which you can allow access, and you will get what you need. Alright, so we have the navbar right here, just like the way it is, and you can see it is responsive. This is the desktop view, and you can switch back to the mobile view. And we have our jQuery functioning, click. So that's also the way it is. So let's try to move this item towards the right hand side. So go back to the studio, then you need to select navbar collapse from the overview, then go down to options, alignment, end, then select nav on the overview, then options, alignment, end. So that's also it is. So this is how you can try to create a nav bar on your Bootstrap Studio. So you can see now it's right aligned, also on the mobile and also on the desktop and also on the mobile view. So this is how to use the Bootstrap Studio just for today. You can like the video and send me a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.